stereotypes about men and masculinity. Just like masculinity's norms, we see that there are many stereotypes attached with men and masculinity. Stereotypes? What are stereotypes? Gender stereotypes are commonly held beliefs about males and females and the transgender. It is not necessary that these stereotypes or these beliefs are based upon empirical research and reality. These may be ideas that have been transmitted from one generation to another, one group to another group. They may not be actually true, but these are the commonly held beliefs. So we see that people have commonly held beliefs called stereotypes about men and their masculinity. These stereotypes have implications. They can have serious impact at times on the cognition, feelings, and behavior of people. These may affect the way people think about themselves and about other people, and the way they feel about themselves and about other people, and the other people include other men and other women. And it also affects the way people behave in a society, the way people act out these beliefs that they had received from the society. Some of the very commonly held stereotypes include men don't cry, men are brave, men are strong, men are bold and courageous, and men are capable. As we were discussing the norms about masculinity, we see here that these stereotypes are beliefs. They are based upon those norms that the society had set for men. They may not actually be true. But we see that these stereotypes and the norms about masculinity, they accompany their responsibilities. Stereotypes bring responsibility with them. So, like we see that stereotypes have men are heads of family, men earn for the family, and when we say they are head, they earn, actually there is a should involved with them. They imply that men should be the heads of the family. Men should earn for the family. Men have to be the providers. Men are the protectors. They have to protect the family. Men should be able to solve every problem. And men are strong. There can be positive and negative implications and consequences of these stereotypes and masculinity's norms. A positive thing can be self-fulfilling prophecy. If you keep telling a boy that he is strong, boys don't cry, boys are achievers, boys can solve any problem, boys can protect the family, their sisters, their friends, their brothers, mothers, fathers, then they will have a good feeling about themselves. The boy who is going to grow up into a man realizes that he is a capable, strong being who can be a protector. So this adds to the person's positive self-image. The self-image is positive and the self-esteem is high as a consequence. A negative consequence could be the burden of responsibility. So if one is told that you are brave, you are the protector, you are the earner, you are the head of the family, then it brings the responsibility of being the head of the family. The head has to do everything for the family now. So some research shows in Pakistani context, the burden of responsibility and burden of being a man in a patriarchal society, the research shows that many men suffer from psychological problems, which ultimately lead to physical problems also, just because they have a lot of load because of the responsibility given to them because of being a man. Therefore, let's look at the positive side then. That if we have stereotypes which can have positive implications, then we should also use stereotypes and beliefs for developing positive self-image in females also. We should also give them positive messages so that they also have a high self-esteem and a positive self-image.